In this video, I'm going to show you how to use external microphone on Google Pixel. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, I'm using Ulanzi J12 microphone. It is wireless microphone. So open microphone, and as you can see here is two transmitter and one receiver. So open receiver, and I take one transmitter, then plug in this receiver to the Google Pixel with USB type C. Then open camera apps, and it, as you can see here is photo mode. Turn it on, then turn to the video. As you can see, where micro connected, or if it directly not here, just tap on here, and as you can see microphone option appear here, phone microphone currently recording. So you need to just tap on this icon, wired microphone. Right, now you can record with external microphone. So I just turn on this transmitter, and as you can see here showing this icon, that's mean now this Google Pixel recording with external microphone. So that way you can use external microphone on the Google Pixel. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next